Thank you for such a warm welcome, and thank you so much, Vikram, for bringing me on this magnificent Maleficent. And thank you all, members of the media and the press, for being here with us this afternoon and ready to roll its throat open to you. Watch the movie and discover. You just get to hear it.
Oh my God.
We leave it to Bikram to figure out when they get to see it.
So, I was just telling Aishwarya backstage that it came about in a Monday morning meeting that we were doing in office. It is.
Okay.
And we said that who is the best person to play Maleficent as we want to scale it up for a wider audience in Hindi.
Correct.
And the only name which came was Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Wow.
Everybody unanimously agreed. And we also agreed, I was telling her backstage, that if she said no, we would probably not gone with anyone else. Because really important for us, as you would have seen in films that we have released, whether it's Aladdin or Lion King, it's really important that the person who's playing it embodies it. So at least in our minds, we thought she embodies it perfectly with the poise and the grace and the, just being able to have that steely command.
Thank you. Thank you so
And,
much.
and that's how it came about.
There's a lot to say on this. Firstly, and none of you would know this. Nobody would know this. Firstly, yes. I mean, in terms of Disney movies, I think everybody has always felt such a strong connect to the entire library. I mean, I know probably some of you will have the question, your favorite, and I'm already telling you that's a tough one to ever pick, or almost impossible, because we've all grown up watching Disney movies, and then you revisit it again with family. And that's the main theme always. It's Disney's signature, that there's always, every member in the audience will find some kind of connect with their library of movies. And then when it came to Maleficent, yes, obviously I was familiar with the character, with the story, as a kid and as a mother. With Sleeping Beauty, actually. And with Maleficent, I always found it, I had not seen the movie for so many years. And I was there in Cannes when it came, and I remember seeing all the promotions, and I thought, wow, for Angelina to choose to do this, and she's a mother of kids, and I thought it was so interesting that one took on to tell the story from the perspective of Maleficent, which is different, and even for Disney to do that, because all of us growing up have never discovered the perspective of the other characters, and especially of what might be perceived as the anti-hero, or the evil queen, or the godmother. You never know what, why, how, and why the character ticks the way that it does, or plays out the way he or she does. And so in the week off, I don't know, you guys had a Monday morning and I had a Monday evening that we don't know. So on the Monday evening, which was a long weekend, suddenly I was like, Aradhya, chalo, let's just watch this movie. And we haven't seen it, so let's see it. So guess what? I actually saw Maleficent on that Monday. And then it was so bizarre. I received the mail on Wednesday. It all happened really quickly from your end and us. So on the Wednesday, I'm taking Aradhya to bed, and I'm like, am I reading right? I mean, I'm getting an inquiry for Maleficent. And I'm like, I've just seen the movie. And so Bikram, confessing to you, strangely, I took that as a sign. I mean, I was just like, this is really weird. For me, I have to see it, and then they have to call and ask for it. And then again, we weren't sure if we'd be able to work our schedules in, so it was just a matter of a day back and forth. And then again, 24 hours later, this window of time opened up, and we managed to just nail it between us. And I was like, it's just meant to be. And yeah, so I followed the meant to be and did it, and glad on it, and enjoyed the experience. It made us all smile.
So as I was saying, शुरुआत होती है, आप पिक्चर देखते हो डिज्नी फिल्म्स, और हम 3-4 साल से ये बात कर रहे हैं कि ये मूवीज़ यार बहुत अच्छी हैं, पर ज़्यादा लोग क्यों नहीं देख सकते इनको. तो वहाँ से ये शुरुआत हुई. उसके बाद हमने कहा कि ठीक है, इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि बहुत सारे लोग जो देख सकते हैं वो इन्जॉय करें. उसका एक बहुत बड़ा जो एस्पेक्ट था वो था ये लोकलाइजेशन करना, विच इज़, जो मैंने आपको बताया, प्रोडक्ट, which is the music, which is the actor, which is the language most importantly. जब कोई comprehend ही नहीं कर सकता है मूवी तो वो दिखेगा कैसे. तो उसके बाद हमें ये हमेशा पता था कि as you rightly said that you're a big Disney fan, the key elements of Disney, whether it is the fact that whole family can enjoy together, that's always something that you can rely on Disney to give. The fact that it will always be a positive movie. The fact that it will always leave you uplifted. बार बार ये एक मूवी के बाद दूसरी मूवी के बाद तीसरी मूवी के बाद राइट फ्रॉम वॉल्ट डिज्नी टाइम करना इज नॉट एन ईजी टास्क विच वाज ऑलवेज देयर एज एन एलिमेंट. द विजुअल स्पेक्टिकल यू कैन ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम डिज्नी. So to increase this reach that you're talking about, what we had to do was to increase relevance. That was the important point, to meet consumers at the points which are relevant to them. वो relevance increase करने के लिए product में जो भी changes required है, while keeping the celluloid the same because the movie is the same. But how do you increase everything else? So one of the biggest things that we did is to increase awareness to begin with. That this movie is coming and people should be aware of it. A big way of doing that is when you have, professionals, great actors who fit the bill, like Aishwarya coming on board, and suddenly the cut through of trailer is many-fold. If you read our social media comments, people are saying, now I'm going to watch this film in Hindi. That is task accomplished for us.
तो
So
आपने
I think
काफी जवाब
मेरा
दे
अनुभव
दिए।
कैसा रहा है, I think I've already answered that a couple of times. So if you don't mind, I don't think I'll take their time and repeat myself. और दिवाली का जो प्लानिंग है, प्लानिंग इनका रहा है, तोहफा ये ले आ रहे हैं और खुशी खुशी I have been part of it. So it definitely brought a smile to my face that the response has been so warm and so wonderful from our well-wishers all over. And obviously, Maleficent has been a character that people have enjoyed watching the first time over. And I think the play of words, the play of the trailer, the promo, which has piqued the curiosity, the play of words in the title where people don't know what the journey, what kind of a journey they're in for, I think that always makes for interesting viewing. Like I said, they wonderfully made Maleficent so dear to the heart of the viewers the first time round. जबकि उससे पहले people did not even know कि in the first part, Maleficent turned out to be the godmother, and she's the one who turned out to be the embodiment of true love. So I think it's wonderful when a viewer does not know what they're in for in the journey here forth. And that's something for you to look forward to. And definitely the imagery has been glorious. I think what the theatrical experience is going to be huge and fun.